Hey guys, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buff the headlights on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. But I'm going to be buffing the headlights for a 2015 because it's getting corrosion on the top of the headlights. I guess with the sun or when it rains and then the sun pops out, it dries the water and the dirt holds on to it. So I'm going to be buffing that out on both headlights, and I'm going to go with my dad's house to help me out because he has a special machine to use it. So can't wait to show you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. And today's my birthday today, so I'm super excited, and I'll see you guys. I'm going to use to buff my headlights the product Pro Finish medium cut and a bottle, and I made little holes in the top. So this is what I'm going to be using to buff the headlights. So this machine costs $300. I'm not sure how much this one costs, but this one was like $300. If it's cheaper, you know, I'll be pretty cool if you guys want to get it, but let me know in the comments below.
I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. Fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it starve. Now you wanna see me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who